Yeah, personal experience. Actually, lucky you gave me 3 boxes for my wife. My wife took it, she said, yeah, it really got results. So then I'm more convinced. There are many causes of hair loss. The number one cause is pattern hair loss, which is most common. At least 50% of males and females have ever suffered this pattern hair loss in their whole lifetime. For the males, we suffer the common male pattern hair loss, which has the typical M shape and it goes up, and it is genetically linked. For ladies, we have this female pattern hair loss where it starts with a thinning in the center of the head and then it's one thin line becoming a big circle in the end. There are many other causes as well. Nutritional deficiencies is one. Other causes like infection and also autoimmune disease. All these conditions can lead to hair loss. We need an accurate diagnosis, blood test and physical examination, and then we can do the appropriate treatment to reverse the hair loss. So definitely as hope for all patients and sufferers for hair loss. So this is a common question my patients ask me. What is the number of hairs per day that is normal that you drop? So my answer is that it is between 50 to 100 strands of hair. Do not fret if your hair loss is less than 100 hairs per day. It is still normal. So do go for a medical checkup with your trusted hair loss doctor if you drop more than 100 strands of hair per day. So dieting itself involves a cut down of important nutrients, for example like zinc, copper and B12 folate. So if you have stopped taking certain foods like vegetables or red meat or even protein-based foods, you may suffer from deficiency in all these important hair proteins and nutrients. So it may also affect hair loss if you go on an excessive diet. Stress can induce hair loss in a few manners. For example, there is this condition called Telogen Effluvium. After a stressful event, for example, like a breakup, a close family member passed away, something like that, severe stress, there may be excessive hair drop after 4 months. There's also alopecia areata, which is also associated with stress. It is more likely autoimmune in nature, but the stress is the one that triggers the coin-shaped hair loss. So these are how stress can affect your hair growth and cause hair loss. Due to the recent COVID-19 pandemic, which has been quite prolonged, I am definitely seeing more patients with stress-induced hair loss due to this pandemic. In my own experience, even with the best medical hair loss treatments, we need the raw material for the hair follicles to grow. If you don't have the raw materials, you can't grow the hair. I always supplement my patients with hair vitamins which are medically proven to work. I prescribe this Miriqa hair supplement to my patients in the clinic, mainly because they have these special ingredients. Number one, they have tocotrienol, which is a strong version of vitamin E, which is a great antioxidant, and also it activates the hair stem cells. Secondly, it has this saw palmetto berries, which is great for reducing DHT production in the skin and the body, which helps to reduce the cause of hair loss. Number three, it also contains specialized kind of keratin, which helps to improve the hair shine and hair quality. Number four, there is tripeptide collagen, which is a highly absorbable version of collagen, which reaches the hair cells and increases the hair growth. Number five, there is this biotin, which is a form of vitamin B, which is highly essential for hair growth. A good combination of these ingredients are present in Miriqa hair, and I am seeing quite positive results in my patients. I highly recommend a consumption period of 3 to 6 months to see positive results. When you first take the hair supplements, if it works for you, you realize that you'll get less hair shedding, so you'll be dropping less and less hairs, and subsequently you'll feel that your hair shafts get thicker and stronger. The density of your hair on the scalp will get thicker and thicker. Even after that, your nails may also get stronger as well. This is how we know whether hair supplements are working for you. Miriqa hair, the ingredients of it are all natural ingredients. They can be used together with treatments like finasteride and minoxidil to achieve a combination result for my hair loss patients. And I am actively prescribing Miriqa hair to all my patients with hair loss with significant results. If you have balding genes in your family, for example, your father, your mother, or even your grandparents, you may be at higher risk because the same genes will be passed down to you, and especially it is more common in male pattern hair loss sufferers. If your family has this gene, you need to really consider seeking medical consultation with a proven hair loss doctor to treat this condition early to prevent it from getting worse. Ever since I brought in Miriqa hair supplement to my clinic and started prescribing it to my patients, I'm seeing positive feedback from them. Their hair loss has reduced and the hair strands are getting thicker. They are coming back repeatedly to purchase more hair supplements. For myself, I've also started taking them, and I find that they help to increase my hair density, hair growth, and the hair strand thickness. So for myself and my clinic, I do recommend taking Miriqa hair for my patients.